For those over 50, maintaining optimal health becomes increasingly important, and this is where the role of supplements and vitamins comes into play. With the proper nutrients, we can support our immune system, enhance our energy levels, and improve our cognitive function. But with so many options available, how do we know which supplements are truly beneficial? Explore some of the top supplements and vitamins that can significantly impact your health. First on the list is vitamin D. This vital nutrient is essential for bone health, as it helps the body absorb calcium. With age, our skin becomes less efficient at synthesizing vitamin D from sunlight, making supplementation necessary. Adequate vitamin D levels can also support immune function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Next up is vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food decreases, leading to potential deficiencies. Supplementing with B12 can help improve energy levels, enhance mood, and support cognitive function, making it a must-have for those over 50. Calcium is another essential nutrient that supports bone density and helps prevent osteoporosis. Maintaining solid bones becomes increasingly vital as we age, and calcium supplementation can be a critical factor in achieving that goal. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids deserve special mention. These healthy fats are known for their heart and brain health benefits. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support cognitive function, making them an excellent choice for older adults looking to enhance their overall health. By taking a thoughtful approach to supplementation, you can better support your health and well-being as you age. Supplements to avoid after 50. As we navigate the world of vitamins and supplements, it's just as important to know what to avoid as it is to know what to embrace. Certain supplements can pose risks or may be unnecessary for individuals over 50. Look closely at some of these supplements and why they should be approached cautiously. One of the primary concerns is excessive iron intake. While iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood, many adults over 50, especially women who have gone through menopause, may not need additional iron. Too much iron can lead to serious health issues, including liver damage and an increased risk of heart disease. Assessing your dietary iron intake and consulting with a healthcare provider before considering iron supplements is crucial. Another supplement to be wary of is vitamin A. While this vitamin is vital for vision and immune function, excessive intake can lead to toxicity, particularly in older adults. High levels of vitamin A can cause various health problems, including liver damage and bone thinning. It's best to obtain vitamin A from whole food sources like carrots and leafy greens, rather than relying on supplements. Always consult a healthcare professional to safely and effectively tailor your nutritional needs. Common errors and mistakes in supplementation. Navigating the world of dietary supplements can be tricky, and many individuals make common errors that can undermine their health goals. Understanding these mistakes is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their well-being through supplementation. Let's explore some frequent pitfalls and how to avoid them. One of the most significant mistakes people make is mixing supplements without professional advice. While it may seem harmless to combine various vitamins and minerals, certain combinations can lead to adverse effects or reduce the effectiveness of the supplements. For example, taking high doses of calcium can interfere with the absorption of magnesium and zinc. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen can help ensure you're not inadvertently creating imbalances in your body. Other standard errors are self-diagnosing deficiencies and oversupplementing. Many individuals may assume they have a deficiency based on symptoms or anecdotal evidence, leading them to take excessive amounts of specific vitamins or minerals. This can be particularly dangerous, as oversupplementation can result in toxicity and other health issues. For instance, excessive vitamin D can lead to hypercalcemia, a condition characterized by elevated calcium levels in the blood.